Halfway through a $20 million IT rollout, Adam spotted something strange. His dashboard told him they were ahead of schedule, but behind in value. He used a technique called EVM to predict a $2 million overrun months in advance. He course-corrected, slashed inefficiencies, and brought the project in $250,000 under budget. You see, most managers wait for budget reports. Strategic leaders use earned value management, EVM, to control costs and performance in real time. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how it works and how you can master it through my in-depth course. No fluff, no face, just clear insight. Have you ever looked at a schedule and thought, we're on track? But later, the project collapses under its own budget weight? That's because you didn't track earned value, you only track time and cost. Earned value management is the method smart PMs use to ask, what did we get for what we spent? And that changes everything. Imagine planning to fill 10 cups of water in 10 minutes. At minute 5, you've filled 3 cups. You've used enough water for 6. You're behind schedule and over cost. That's earned value management in a nutshell. You measure 3 things. Planned value, PV, what you should have done. Earned value, EV, what you actually accomplished. Actual cost, AC, what you actually spent. With these, you can calculate Cost Performance Index, CPI. Schedule Performance Index, SPI. Estimate at Completion, EAC. And suddenly, you're not just tracking, you're predicting. 1. Planned value, PV. Your roadmap. If you plan to complete 40% of the project by week 4, your PV is 40% of the total budget. 2. Earned value, EV. The value of work actually completed, not how much you've spent, what you've earned. 3. Actual cost, AC. The money already spent, regardless of progress. SPI equals EV/PV. Less than 1? You're behind schedule. More than 1? You're ahead. CPI equals EV/AC. If CPI is 0.8, you're getting 80 cents of value per $1 spent. Not good. If it's 1.2, you're crushing it. EAC equals BAC/CPI. This is your future budget. If you stay on this trajectory, how much will it cost to finish? It's like budget GPS. A construction firm used EVM and noticed CPI was dropping each week. They discovered subcontractor inefficiencies early. Mid-course correction saved $400,000. Software development. In a SaaS project, sprints looked fine on Jira. But EVM showed their earned value is lagging. They restructured teams, project finished on time. Healthcare expansion. A hospital wing expansion used EVM to phase out costly equipment delays. External failure cost? Cut in half. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Confusing EV with AC. Value is not equal to cost. You can spend a lot and earn nothing. 2. Only doing it monthly. Too late. EVM must be part of your weekly or even daily rhythm. 3. Not linking tasks to value. If tasks aren't assigned value, EVM is useless. Assign dollar to progress. 4. Using EVM as a report, not a tool. EVM isn't a spreadsheet trick. It's a decision-making system. Step-by-step EVM process for your projects. 1. Project scope and baselines. 2. Monitor and evaluate progress. 3. Determine key performance indicators, KPIs. 4. Analyze variances and forecast project performance. 5. Implement corrective measures. Imagine being the manager who never gets blindsided. Who always knows the truth, not just the timeline. In my full course, you'll learn Introduction to Earned Value Management, EVM. Step-by-step guide to creating analogous estimates. Pros and cons of Earned Value Management, EVM. Real-world case studies. How to use Earned Value Management, EVM, in finance and project management. Who uses Earned Value Management, EVM? Accuracy factors in Earned Value Management, EVM. Whether you're managing millions or just starting out, EVM gives you control. Click the link below, register now, and let's make your projects predictable and profitable. Predict. Perform. Prevail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the course.